What makes a true supply chain hero? A supply chain hero does the right things in the right place at the right time. But how? The answer is Supply Chain Process Excellence by IFM, the powerful software to steer your supply chain. It gives you a holistic overview and maximum transparency, so your team can perform at its best. Here's how it works. First, we use your SAP data. Within this data lies the key to identifying every pain point through real-time quality indicators. There are 4 steps to success: analyze, plan, execute, optimize. Step 1. Process indicators show the quality of your demand planning, manufacturing, procurement, inventory management, and sales and distribution. Step 2. Which KPIs led to the current indicator value? Too much material sitting in inventory? Insufficient material availability? Too many backlogs? The KPIs highlight where action is needed and allow you to create a targeted optimization plan. Step 3. Jump into the operational side of supply chain excellence on SAP S/4HANA. This is where you put your plans directly into action. 1. Create a solid sales forecast. 2. Develop an efficient production plan. 3. Optimize your operational purchasing. 4. Free up capital by reducing excess inventory. Step 4. Check your SEX indicator. What has improved? What still needs work? Go through the process again and keep getting better, step by step. This is the perfect solution for perfect supply chain management. That's what makes you a true supply chain hero.